Hi, everybody. Welcome to ARANT's Rich 5-minute analysis. Today, we'll be working on looking over Palantir. Palantir is a technology stock with its industry and software infrastructure. Basically, it's an AI stock for that works with the U.S. government for the defense. So right now, it's trading at 24.75 in after hours. Today is Thursday, February 8th, 2024. Analysis, Palantir has a 85% expected growth rate over the next 5 years per year. So it's projected to grow very, very fast. My favorite page on Yahoo Finance here is the statistics page, which shows most of the indicators that I am looking for when valuing a stock. Right now, look at return on equity, debt to equity. So return on equity is at 7%. So it's so debt to equity is 6%. That's relatively low. Current ratio 5.55. So current ratio is basically current assets divided by current liabilities. Then we have levered cash flow. So cash flow after they're paying all their debt in a year. It's at 659 million. Operating cash flow at 712 million. It's not producing a dividend. And I also like to look over the financials cash flow statement. Here we have a free cash flow of 475 million. So I plugged those numbers into here. Chart as far as trend lines and everything goes, Palantir's actually looks to be like a good buy right now according to these metrics. Even on a daily metric, it looks good. On a weekly metric, it still looks good. I like to value things on a monthly though. So good buy here. Discounted cash flow. So this is taking basically all future cash flows for businesses and trying to put it into today's value. And right now, the intrinsic value that I have here is $21.15. So I would say it's priced about right where it should be. The weighted average cost of capital here is basically a discount rate that I'm taking that at 8.5%, given the Fed's current interest rates. Seems to be a pretty good number, so that's what I'm going to use. Usually I put comps into an analysis, but for this, there's not really many competitors, so there's not really anybody that I feel like I can measure against Palantir. Most of the ones who are competing do not really have positive PE, and if you don't have a positive PE, this analysis will not work. Overall, its current price is 24.51. Technical analysis shows that it's a buy, so the trend line shows that it's a buy. Cash flows shows that it's probably about right. Evaluation, saying that it's overvalued right now, but it has good liquidity. It has a current ratio of 5.55, so it's not going to go bankrupt anytime soon. It's not using really any leverage, so these are two good metrics for longevity of a business. PE right now, 261, which is extremely high, but this is using actually the past data. If you look at current data right now, future PE are about at 80. So this is actually dwindling down really, really quickly. And so this metric right here can actually, I would say, flip the next couple of years or so. If that does, that's when it approaches, I would assume that the stock value will continue to increase. And so this would be a buy, this would be a hold. This, looking at it like this, would indicate a sell, but knowing that the forward PE is 80, and that is moving in that direction at a very fast rate, I would say that this would probably be a very moderate sell. So overall, I think Palantir is worth holding. And so that is my analysis for Thursday, February 8th on Palantir. If you have any stocks you'd like analyzed, please leave a comment, and thank you for watching.